Evening in Ntinda. Rain, much needed. And so it chooses to pour like cats and dogs. It's raining, it's becoming dark, and the jam will be hell serious in the evening. It's all evening by the way. So it's gonna be hell serious. I wonder how we're going to take children home from school today. Hell serious rain. Ugandan weather, though it's been I don't know even how to describe it. It's been a season that has known span out like it normally does. The rains are late, they've been inconsistent, so we can only pray for God's intervention. As far as food security is concerned, because the country is in economic dire straits due to a couple of reasons. People trying to save for the festive season, I guess, then school fees, of course, and then the economic realities in the country. Given the election that we are having, there is normally a lockdown of funds by the powers that be, so as to find a way of influencing the elections financially as possibly can. It's not an allegation, but it's a cycle that has been recurring, and people have come to understand it actually. So those reasons have ensured that there is lack of money among the masses, genuine lack of money among the masses. So those reasons spanning out, and of course added on to the late rains, which have been inconsistent, meaning that crops have not been grown. So we really need the Lord to help us. This is Ntinda on the rain evening for